Hey guys, Richard here. So in this review I want to talk to you about a product called SKYPE. Now, SKYPE in a nutshell is supposed to be a piece of software that gives you a business in a box. Now apparently they make 6 figures a month with this, and I'm going to explain to you why this sales page and this product is of absolutely no value to you, and you will not make any money purchasing products like this. So guys, this review is based on my own opinion, and in this case I'm sure an opinion of many other people, and it's based on lots of years online buying software just like this one and now understanding what it really takes to make any kind of money online. So guys, this is due to be released on Saturday the 15th of August at 9 AM Eastern. It comes from Mosh Barry and it comes off the Warrior Plus network. And if you're wondering why I've crossed Zing out, there's a very good reason for that, and I'm going to show you straight away. This, guys, is a product by Billy Dar called Zing, and it was released only a few weeks ago. And this is the members area of SKYPE, and if you compare the two products, they are exactly the same. The only thing they've managed to do is actually make the product worse, which to me is quite a feat in itself. So as usual guys, I'm going to go through the product. I'll take you through the members area, I'll take you through the sales page, I'll go through the upgrades, I'll tell you what's good about the product, which isn't a lot in this case I'm afraid, what's not so good about the product, and then I'm going to kind of give you a summary so that you can use this review to have a more informed decision before you go ahead and spend any kind of money on products like this one. So guys, my name is Richard Darby, this is the School of Nomads. If you haven't been over to our channel before, please go ahead and hit the subscribe and notification bell, and I'll let you know whenever I produce new videos. And guys, if you're really looking to build an online business, go ahead and check out the link in the description below over to the School of Nomads, and I'll take you through the process step by step. Now the sales page is still reasonably new, so there is some mistakes on the sales page, I can see that, but I will go over it in a little bit more detail. So there's no more frustration apparently, it's beginner friendly, there's no need for experience, there's no need for technical knowledge, it's a 3-in-1 business in a box. What essentially it allows you to do is sell the actual product yourself by using a functionality within it that allows you to build a sales page, which is pretty awful, but there you are. It's complete and ready to make money. 99 known questions asked money back guarantee. That comes off the sales page. It means 90 day, but they've written 99. 100% safe investment. No, it's not. These guys cannot be trusted with your money, and you will finally make money. I'm afraid you won't. So let's jump straight over to the members area, and I'm going to show you around this. So guys, this is the SKYPE members area. If you saw my Zing review, guys, this is exactly the same piece of software. The only thing they haven't done is put this video creator and my videos in the actual software. Now essentially what you have here on the left hand side is you've got the training page here. If I hit this, all this training page is actually a bunch of other links to their other products. So there is some training on here somewhere to do with this product, but essentially this is just being used to get you to buy his other products. So you know, you've got this Shopify replacement, Shopsy awful product. You got this done for you, Profit Z, terrible product. So it's just a bunch of videos that are getting you to go ahead and join various parts of his program and buy his other products. So you need to avoid this page if you've got any sense. Dashboard is what it is. You've got a bunch of things on here around comments. What this essentially was when it was sold as with Zing is a YouTube product where you've got applications here that allow you to upload YouTube videos, to set up replies to comments, to go ahead and find channels to go and set up an automated comment on. All of these types of things that were very spammy YouTube tactics and pretty low quality YouTube tactics. They've just taken a certain amount of them and stuck them in this product. But the essential thing is, if I just skip to the bottom, the essential thing they're saying is differentiating this is the agency piece, which is right at the bottom of my screen here and pretty hard to find. It's not very well built, this particular piece of software, which is obviously some white label stuff going around all of these guys at the moment, because they're all using this thing, changing a few things in the menu and trying to resell it as the latest and greatest app, which is complete rubbish. So if I look at the sales page piece here, you can actually create a sales page, but the sales page looks like this, which is it's absolutely awful. This is the sales page you would use to go ahead and sell this software. This is your agency sales page. And it's a shame really, because they haven't even given you a sales page which is as good as their own. And these guys make good, well, they don't make good sales pages, they cut and paste the previous sales page again and just add a few additional things. But they make really colourful, bright sales pages, and then they give you this rubbish to go ahead and make yourself. So basically that's the main selling point of this, is that you can go ahead and sell it in an agency license. So who the hell are you going to get to buy this? I'll never know. But unfortunately, there will be some folks that miss reviews like this and they will go and buy this, and they're just not going to get anywhere. They're not going to earn any money. All they're going to do is spin their wheels with some crappy software that is not going to work. So that's kind of the agency bit here. You've got a user manager here, which I think is pretty dangerous. You've got folks in here that are going to end up signing up for this, that you become your users, and you have to look after these folks. Where the customer support is, etc., I'll never know. So I'm going to click off that. You've got a dashboard here. You've got the social accounts here, which is where you connect your social accounts. You've got Google settings here, where you go ahead and set up your various tracking links and APIs. You've got channel manager here, which is where I said you can go ahead and comment and like on your own channel. So if somebody comments on your channel, you can automatically comment back. Awful way to treat people who, if you've got a real YouTube business, because you need to engage with people. That's how you get followers, that's how you get subscribers, that's how you get people who are interested in your offers. But the way that these guys are selling it is that you do, everything is automated and it just all works in the background, and apparently this makes you money. You won't get zero money off any of this rubbish. You've got some kind of template manager here, again for your auto reply templates, your auto comment templates. But so again, you go off and you find channels, you just send these awful auto comments out to these various channels. You've got some search tools here as far as searching videos. You can search for channels, you search for playlists, and these are the ones that you target with all your automated messages. And lastly, you've got this YouTube keyword finder. Because I'm not ever going to attach my YouTube channel to any piece of rubbish like this, I won't be able to show you what that looks like. But essentially, everything that you look at and here on the left hand side, you can do in YouTube. You can find better tools to do it, or you shouldn't be doing it because it's horrible and it's spammy and it's not the way you should conduct business online. So guys, I jumped over to the sales page, and you know, again, this is incomplete sales page, but there's a couple of things I want to point out on here. Usual thing here, you look at any of their last 3 or 4 sales pages, is almost exactly the same. In fact, there was a product released a couple of days ago by a different vendor and it had almost the same sales page. The whole thing is being just copy and pasted between vendors now. These guys have never heard of him. These guys would never touch software like this. I mean, Jeff Bezos, Oprah Winfrey and Steve Jobs, Jesus. The idea here is, you know, psychologically, they're trying to attach their business to those folks. And obviously, if you're a complete newbie or you're kind of stuck in the middle of shiny object syndrome, wanting something to work with you because you're desperate, then you'll believe stuff like this. And it's a shame because it's all garbage, guys. So you go through here, usual stuff, and then you get to this piece of financial proof here. And yet again, guys, this is from the 6 Fizz. This makes daily income like this, right? You go to Resolved, which is the last product this vendor released. Look at the commissions we're making with this abundance of free traffic. Exactly the same financial statement there. So everything else on here, guys, as soon as I see things like that, it's complete rubbish. You can't trust any numbers on here at all. Clearly, everything is here to mislead you. So ignore all of this stuff. Again, they're attaching themselves to Jeff Bezos, Mark Zuckerberg, Bill Gates, and Steve Jobs. Please, does anybody on the planet honestly think that these guys know who this vendor is and actually endorse this software in any way? Again, random piece of information in there to make you think that this has got some kind of credibility. These could well be true. I know the vendor makes a lot of money, but he makes money by selling crap like this. He doesn't make money by using this kind of rubbish. So not saying that these aren't true numbers, but he's just using his own ability to sell complete rubbish to people to show you that if you did the same, you could potentially make this money. And number one, you're not going to be able to potentially make this money because he's got massive lists. And number two, why would you want to do it? It's all very nice having money, but I don't know how you sleep at night, to be honest. And guys, you know, as usual, I look at the value of these things. They're telling you this whole package is worth $28,000, and today you can get it for $19,000. I'm surprised that 100% of people don't read this and think this is complete garbage, but essentially people get completely blind to what's in front of them and will buy this anyway. And the guarantee, guys, I would be very careful with this guarantee. Number one, this has changed from the usual guarantee they have on their products. They usually word it slightly differently. Unless there's a problem with the software, they won't give you money. This is the same guarantee, exactly the same guarantee that Billy Darr gives on his products. So whether they haven't changed this on the sales page yet, and you'll get a slightly different worded guarantee, I'm not sure. But either way, you're not going to get your money back if you buy this. You'll be stuck in a big issue with them if you ask for your money back, unless you go ahead and have a PayPal dispute. And I've seen videos of this vendor going back on his own channel, which you can go ahead and watch yourself, with him actively fighting PayPal disputes rather than pay back his clients. So don't believe a word of any kind of guarantee from this vendor. So guys, I'll give you the upgrades. The front end's $27 or $17, depending whether you get the agency rights, which is that sales page. Upsell 1 is unlimited edition, $39 down to $29. Again, the second number for the upsells is always the cheaper downsell. Upsell 2 is 100 times conversion booster, $97 or $77. Upsell 3, unlimited traffic, is $57 down to $37. Upsell 4, all-in-one marketplace, $97 down to $77. Upsell 5, reseller rights, $77 down to $67. Gold Miners Club, which is upsell 6, is $39. And upsell 7 is white label, $599 down to $299. And you know, quick estimation, guys, that's going to be close to $700-800. I really hope that people do not buy any of this product, because it is completely worthless. Pros, guys, I'm not going to give this any pros this time, because I can see it for what it is. It's the same piece of software being handed around many of these guys now, and all they're doing is making very, very small adjustments to an already really poor piece of software that's not going to give you or anybody else any kind of value. And cons, I could have written 3 pages on this, but it's very poor quality. It's just an even worse repeat of Zing. No value to anyone. The sales page is misleading. The value claims are not real. The financial proof is misleading. There's no business here, and you've got a completely unreliable guarantee. So guys, I'm going to give this a 0 out of 10. This is the worst product I've seen this year so far, so at least I'll give it some kind of bonus on that front. But this is a low quality product, and it's got absolutely no value for you. So guys, thanks for watching. Again, I don't want to end up on a negative. There are ways to make money online, guys. Just do not buy software like this, because you'll be spinning your wheels for many, many years, just like I did, and you'll get absolutely nowhere. And in the course of doing that, you're likely to spend thousands and thousands of dollars. So guys, my name is Richard Darby. This is the School of Nomads. If you haven't been over to our channel before, please go ahead and hit the subscribe and notification bell, and I'll let you know whenever I release new videos. If you're really looking to build a long-term sustainable business online, go ahead and check out the link in the description below over to the School of Nomads, and I'll take you through the whole process step by step. Until next time, guys, take care.